Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to explore, the incredible health benefits of ginger. This humble root has been cherished for centuries in various cultures for its medicinal properties and culinary charm. So, if you are curious about what ginger is good for and how it can enhance your health, stick around as we take you on a journey of discovery. Ginger, scientifically known as Zingiber officinale, is not just a spice that adds flavor to dishes, it's a powerful ally in supporting our well-being. Let's dive into the numerous health benefits of this potent root. Benefit 1. Digestive aid. Ginger is renowned for its ability to soothe digestive discomforts. From indigestion and bloating to nausea and morning sickness, ginger can relieve and promote better digestion. Benefit 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a common underlying factor in various health conditions. Ginger's natural anti-inflammatory compounds can help reduce inflammation and alleviate symptoms of arthritis and other inflammatory disorders. Benefit 3. Immune booster. Ginger's rich reserves of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals make it an excellent immune booster. Regular consumption of ginger can help strengthen your immune system and protect against infections. Benefit 4. Pain reliever. For centuries, ginger has been used as a natural pain reliever. Its analgesic properties can help ease muscle soreness, menstrual cramps, and migraines. Benefit 5. Cardiovascular support. Ginger is beneficial for heart health as it helps lower cholesterol levels, regulate blood pressure, and improve blood circulation, reducing the risk of heart diseases. Benefit 6. Respiratory health. Ginger's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties can help alleviate respiratory issues like coughs, colds, and bronchitis. Benefit 7. Menstrual comfort. For women experiencing menstrual discomfort, ginger can be a comforting aid, helping to reduce pain and alleviate menstrual symptoms. Benefit 8. Brain health. Research suggests that the antioxidants in ginger may have neuroprotective effects, supporting brain health and potentially reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Benefit 9. Weight management. Ginger's thermogenic properties can boost metabolism and aid in weight management efforts when combined with a healthy diet and exercise. Benefit 10. Cancer prevention. Some studies indicate that ginger may have anti-cancer properties, with potential in inhibiting the growth of cancer cells, though more research is needed in this area. Now that we've explored these incredible health benefits of ginger, let's discuss some easy ways to incorporate ginger into our daily routine. From delicious ginger tea and smoothies to savory dishes and desserts, the versatility of ginger makes it a delightful addition to our meals. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the health benefits of ginger. If you found this video informative and helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, so you never miss an update from us. Stay tuned for more exciting content on health, wellness, and natural remedies. Until next time, stay healthy and embrace the goodness of ginger in your life. Take care.